Hi everybody and welcome to another video from me, M3BIK, and on this video it's another one about the Radtel RT-4D, and on this video I'm going to show you how to quickly and easily lock the keypad so that if you touch the keypad or somebody presses something, it's not going to change any settings on this particular radio. So it's dead easy to do. You've got this star key there and you just hold it in for a few seconds. And you'll notice a little padlock symbol there come in the top left hand corner. That now means the keypad is locked, and if we press any buttons on the keypad, nothing's going to happen here. That keypad is now locked. So to unlock it, it's the same process. We just hold the star key in for a few seconds. And you'll notice that padlock symbol has disappeared from the top left hand corner, and that means the keypad is now unlocked again. Thanks for watching this video, everybody.